Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Peculiar Beauty. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys, taking you guys along with me to do my makeup. Yes, you know how we do it here on this channel. All we do here is to glue to look beautiful. That's is what we do here. So guys, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? If you have not done so, please do subscribe, like and share this video. If you love what we do here in this small community, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that anytime we upload any new video, you will be the first to know. Guys, I want you to watch this video to the end. If you are watched up to this time, please watch this video to the end. Please, you can also super thanks me. You can also use the super thanks. Guys, the super thanks is not there for decoration. The super thanks is to use it, okay? If you love what we do here, please just use the super thanks. Super thanks is a way of like maybe you like what the person is doing, or just to show like love, you mean, you know what I'm saying now, like you are just showing that you love this person. That is the meaning of super thanks. So guys, don't forget to use the super thanks. Please guys, subscribe, like and share this video. Guys, I know why I am telling you to watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video you are going to thank me. At the end of this video you are going to thank me. Listen what I will be saying, like listen to the end of this video to know what I will be saying in the end of the video. Because I know a lot of people don't like to watch video to the end. So watch this video to the end. Let me know your opinion. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Let me know if you like my makeup and all that. Okay, so guys, let me allow you all to watch the video. So I will see you all on my next video. Bye bye. I love you all, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That is the most important thing. Yeah, give me a thumbs up. Ciao ciao. There's one thing I really want to talk about. Like, first of all, let me apologize. Like, I didn't mean to attack, anybody, but I am curious. Like, I really Like this thing I really want to talk about. This thing have been bothering me like for so long. Like I said, I really want to talk about this. I'm so sorry if you feel attacked, but I didn't mean to attack anybody. So guys, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, like, and share this video. So I'm sorry guys. Where will I start from? There's one thing that is so common about people living in Nigeria. Yeah, there's one thing that is very, very common, like Nigeria YouTubers. There's one thing that is more common because I've seen a lot of video. Like, I don't really know. I've seen a lot of video when they are like, they will just buy something. They will be talking about like, I bought this thing $5. I bought this thing. Come, oh, come. It's you that I'm talking to. Come. Like, I didn't know that in Nigeria they have started using dollar. Oh, I didn't know. I didn't know they have started using dollar. Like, where is this dollar coming from? For crying out loud, you people are in Nigeria. You are in Nigeria. Nigeria use Naira. So I don't know why some YouTubers, like, they go, like when they are going for shopping, like grocery shopping, they will like, I bought this thing, like they will see you see the way they are going to crest it on their thumbnail. I bought this thing, or when they are talking how much I bought this thing, $5, $20, this dollar, that dollar, everything dollar, this dollar. I say, hey. So I decided to be calling people that is in Nigeria. Maybe they have started using dollar. Me, peculiar, did not know. So that's why I say, let me come and ask you people. I don't know why you people are saying dollar. Yes. Why are you people saying dollar? The people that is using dollar, I have never even seen they say dollar. They bought this thing dollar. But people living in Nigeria, because I really want you people to tell me, maybe there is in Nigeria, there is one part of in Nigeria where they use dollar. Because I can remember in my country where I came from, Nigeria, they don't use dollar. They don't use dollar. Like, I don't know why people like YouTubers. I'm sorry guys, I am not here to attack anybody, but I'm curious. Like, this is what I really wanted to talk about. Like, hello, hello. Shay, you they want me? No, they want me, Abi. Nigerian living, like, as in, I don't know this particular thing. Like, another thing is like people living in Nigeria, like influencer. Not tell me say there is summer, because when we like people living in Western and like people living in abroad, they will be feeling like, oh, winter is going, that like we'll be happy that summer is coming. Like, summer is coming. People living in Nigeria will still be happy that summer is coming. Please, this is the thing I really don't, I'm not like, I don't really know how to put this thing. Like, this is the thing that I really did not understand. People living in Nigeria will be saying, summer is coming, I need to get my clothes, I need to get my this, I need to get my that. We were there for abroad. We go see they say summer is coming. We will be happy because, you know, this, even as I'm talking to you, the weather is so cold. Like, you cannot go out without wearing jacket. And if summer is coming like this, we will be happy. A lot of, like, you'll be happy that you are taking off all these big jackets out of your body. Like, people living in Nigeria will be like, hey, come on. You people should come. You, now you are the talk to. Una not get shame. Una not just get shame. We in the diaspora, I don't know how they call them. We in the diaspora will be saying like, summer is coming. You people living in Nigeria will still be saying summer is coming. As in, that time when I did for Nigeria, I don't know say that they see summer for Nigeria. Because I know say the whole weather where I know. Maybe there's what I am missing that I did not know. You people should tell me in the comment section. You people should tell me. Calm down. No, one of the calm down. I have a package that I will love to unbox with you. I'm sorry. Guys, this is what I ordered from AliExpress. Like, this is the coily hair I ordered. I ordered 3 packs because, you know me, I don't like full hair. I'll be showing you guys how it's going to look. I'll be inserting this hair on my hair. Like I'll be doing a video tutorial of this coiling hair. So if you want to see this crochet braid, this one is crochet braid, and you see it came with the pin and all that. So if you want to see the video of how I'm going to achieve this, just let me know in the comment section. Definitely I'm going to upload this video. So guys, let me show you. This is what it looks like. Wow, que bella, mamma mia. Like, I know this thing is going to fit me. What did you guys think? I'll be showing you guys how I'm going to insert it. So I feel like to buy this, like to do different things. So that's why. So I'll be showing you guys how this is going to come out. Like I'll be giving you guys a tutorial. If you love this, let me know in the comment section. If you would like to order, I will be dropping the link in the comment section. So guys, this is the clothes I will be wearing for this video. Like this is the dress. This is what the dress look like, and is a lace. This is the inner dress inside, and that's also, guys. You guys should just stop. Like I've been meaning to talk about this. I didn't come here to talk trash or talk bad about anybody, but because I know in Nigeria, where I came from, we just have two seasons, the dry season and rainy season. You understand? So that's what I knew that Nigeria have. But now you see that Nigeria will be saying summer, it's summer, it's summer, it's summer. Like we living in abroad. What do you guys want us to be saying? You people should just stop it. $50. I bought this thing $5. Una they use dollar for Nigeria. Una they use dollar. So me, I don't know say that they use dollar for Nigeria. You people should just stop all this because it does not really make sense. It looks somehow. It looks somehow. Now what I say I won't tell you now because the thing just did somehow. It not just really makes sense. Just embrace your roots. Embrace that you are Nigerian. Embrace it. If you want to relocate, that one is different things. You can be calling dollar. It depends on the state you are staying. Just embrace your roots. Guys, check my outfit. Check this outfit. Guys, don't mind me. Guys, this is my dress. I saw this dress from Nigeria. I love this dress. Like, I rocked this dress last year summer. I think this dress is going to 2 years now. This is the second time I'm wearing it. So I decided to wear it to church today. And this is my shoe. Let me sit down. This is my shoe, guys. This is my shoe that I will be wearing for this outfit. Or what do you guys think? I'll be wearing this shoe for this outfit. I know it's cold, yes, but I'm going to wear it. I'm going to wear. So guys, just wait. Let me wear my wig, my scarf. No, I'm not going to wear wig. I'll be wearing scarf, and because I will not just come here to start talking all these things. I have seen it. I have watched a lot of video. There is one video I haven't watched. Somebody living in, like, the person is not from Nigeria. The person was like saying, I didn't know that Nigeria use like dollars now. Like, you see them cooking one pot of soup. Like, there's one video I actually watched. She said that she used this money, like she used $10, she used $20 to cook this pot of food. Like, she bought this for more $5, she bought this $1, she bought. I was like, are you people okay? Like, in Nigeria, no, in Nigeria, even these people, like, the person was like, the person that uploaded the video was like, no, we are using naira. The person now replied that, why are you not calling dollar? Because I know that you are living in Nigeria. I've been following you for so long. I know that you are living in Nigeria. So what is all this all about? Why are you calling dollar? Like, why are you calling dollar? Because you are making people to be confused. Like, me, I never knew. Let me call my parents so that I can actually ask them. Like, let me call them so I can actually ask them if they are using dollar in Nigeria. You people should just embrace your roots. Like I said before, embrace your roots. Don't be deceiving people. Don't be deceiving people. that you use this they will see they go to like they go and buy fruit, grocery, like shopping, they'll be calling dollar, I bought this dollars, I bought this dollars. I didn't mean to insult anybody. Like, this video is not to insult anybody. Like, I'm just trying to express how I'm feeling. Like, why do people do these things? You understand? So if you are among those people, please just stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Like, don't spoil my mood. So guys, my lipstick is for Beyond Beauty lipstick that I'll be using, and the other one is from Classic. Classic, guys. This is my favorite lipstick. If you don't know, know now.